walis ata.
Kailangan nila ng walis, sakto mate sila.
Trabaho niyo, kayo ba
Trabaho
yung...
nyo, bilis. Sila kayong mate eh. Sila kayong mate eh.
Pinabayaran po kayo, ha?
Linis.
Anyway, palapag po natin ang mga mates. Mamaya, nandun sila.
Mamaya po, kung gusto niyo po sila makilala, punta lang po kayo mamaya doon sa ating main cafe, courtesy of Yoshinoya and Sweet Cakes.
Okay. So, that's it for now. Antayin natin yung program natin. Mamaya po, Ikuso Iwa.
Ikuso Iwa.
Yes.
We'll be performing later on.
Also, later in the day, we will be having dance and music. Also, we're going to have the cosplay competitions of the WhatsApp. Yes. And we'll be back in a bit. So, enjoy muna tayo. Ikot muna tayo. Let's give a chance to the ones who hindi naman coffee na din natin.
So, may ako pala tayo, no? Hello. Link kayo. Ba't na link kayo? Okay. So, it's almost lunchtime. Tama ba? Lunchtime na ba? Yes, it's almost lunchtime. So, kung gusto nyo, kayo ay gutom na, pwede nyo, marami kayo may booth po rito. So we have Moriki, we have Yoshinoya, and